Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 09X. The marking looks a little confusing. There is a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking, rule table. Let's have a look. 09X can be broken down to 09 and X. From our table we can see that code 09 corresponds to 121. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of -1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 121 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 12.1. So the value of our resistor is 12.1 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.